All right, folks, time to do some camping here. Maybe beat some of the heat up high. We're going to a really cool mountain lake. I'm bringing the Luna with me, the Xtra Atto and the Ace Pro 2. Should be pretty up there and hopefully a little bit cooler. Welcome to Field Notes Episode 2, a more laid-back, behind-the-scenes look at how I test cameras while I'm working towards my full reviews. I'm carrying about 35 pounds this time and trying to reach a high alpine lake before dark, so every camera had to earn its place in my pack. And the Xtra Atto is small, lightweight, and easy to use while moving. The Luna Ultra gives me a lightweight gimbal and more creative options with different focal lengths. And the Ace Pro 2 is a rugged, reliable, and excellent for nighttime time lapses. You'll see which camera I'm using at any given time on the left side of the screen, so sit back and relax and enjoy the trip. All right, we're about a quarter of the way through our hike. Not too bad. We have an inspiring donkey over there. We'll see if she gets donkey status after this one. Knowing our luck, it'll start storming as soon as we get up there.
Why did you say that?
I don't know, let's just start luck. Well, we made it to the top. Now it's just a matter of finding a campsite, set up camp, have some sandwiches, and enjoy the view.
That's cougary.
It's shaded. Ooh. Maybe? Well, folks, we found camp. Didn't take too long. Beautiful view over there of the lake. Maybe go swimming, get some of the stink off. Well, as always, we just got here and it's about to storm. So we got the tent up just in time. There's whitecaps on that lake now. It's certainly blowing in, but what a beautiful spot.
Oh, it's nice out.
Yeah.
I know.
Filtered some water for the morning, so we're good to go. Got a great little campsite up here, super quiet. Just listening to some of the fish jump, and yeah, well, can't beat the view, right? But I think it's time now to get situated. Gets dark quick. That guy right there pees. Where is he? He pees in the water, that guy right there. Yeah, right there where I got my drinking water. Huh. We got this dude up here. Who knows what he's up to? Probably gonna tip over my camera. Little blue. Please don't blue. Please don't blue. Please don't blue. Thank you. Oh, thank goodness. Come on. You got all the dog treats and stuff in here? Okay. Good boy, Blue. Go on. Well, that was awesome. It's always so quiet here in these mountains. That's the thing compared to the East Coast mountains. Like East Coast mountains, when you go camp, it's so loud, whether that's deer crashing or insects or reptiles like tree frogs. It is so loud. But here in these woods, I've found it's just so quiet and like so peaceful. I mean, you don't have to worry about much. I mean, I guess grizzly bears and stuff like that, but you can mitigate that if you're smart. So, rest of the day, we gotta tidy this place up. Leave no trace behind, folks. Make it look like you weren't even there.